Hi folks. So some of you missed the class yesterday and we also had some troubles during the tutorial with completing everything we planned to. So I've decided to record this short video to show you what actually we did, and if you didn't get to try and do it at home. So first of all, let's have a look. We have an assignment which is here. So the assignment for sources is coming up soon. You need to choose one lecture of your course that you're planning to develop, and you need to think how you will explain this lecture to your students. So for the purpose of this, you need to find 2 to 3 electronic sources which will cover the topic of your chosen lecture. And what did we talk during the class is that our VETSU University provides us an access to electronic sources. And actually, before we're gonna look into that, I just want to show you, if you will go to our design and delivery of courses in English site, you can scroll down to the week 2 and here I put some examples for assignment 2. Yeah, here it is in the folder. This is an example of the PowerPoint slides, and those are 3 articles which is covered by the slides. So basically the slide represents the analysis of those 3 materials. So here in this case, students got 3 articles to read in advance, and then the professor explained it during the lecture. So this is what I keep in mind when I ask you to find free sources for your assignment to cover one lecture. Okay, let's move on. Let's talk a little bit about electronic sources. So our university provides an access to these databases. There is a books collection and journals collections. You can use this link to go on the website, or you can just type VETSU website, and once you're on it, you choose library button, and after that, electronic library. So our electronic library has access to these international sources. If you click on the left-hand side, you will find information about the source. If you click on the right-hand side, you will be referred to the website, to the database itself. So how do you know if you have access provided by the university or not? It should be written here, access by the Viatka State University, access provided. So it's not written here now, and which means that you don't have full access. And our library claims that we can have access from home, and here is an instruction which I put also in the materials. What's going on? I'm sorry. I put it in the materials for you in the course. Just a second. In the week 2, once we go here, there is a course readings. So this is about distant access, to how to set up a distant access, and this is about how to work in your Moodle course. So please look at this one, but you don't have to use this one anymore, because yesterday we had some troubles setting up our proxy servers, and once I went home I did realize that we can't actually have access from home, and I'm sorry that I realized it too late. But anyway, I will be looking into that problem. I will check with our IT department why is it like so. But for now, if you want to use all these electronic sources, you can have access from university computer or from your laptop at the university when you're using university Wi-Fi. To use your university Wi-Fi, you need to log into Wi-Fi Vatsu with your user password and user login and password from your corporate email. Anyway, since we don't have access to these sources from home, it's not fair for me to ask you guys to work with the databases at home. But if you have time to look it up once you at the university, please do. Otherwise, try to use these open online sources we explain in the class. And I would really appreciate if you can add some of the sources into the group discussion just by adding a topic and adding some sources there. That would be great. Maybe you have something to share with your group mates. Anyway, this is about sources. So for your assignment, you will need to find 2 to 3 sources through online databases. Doesn't matter which databases you're gonna use, I don't really care, as long as those sources will cover the topic of your lecture. Then once you found those sources, go here and upload those sources here. There will be for you, just for me because I'm a teacher, I don't see it, but if I will look at it as a student, I can show you. You have this button add submission. So you can type an online text. I like put a link to the video or audio if it's an audio file. You can drag files here, or you can upload them using this button, upload a file. So whichever you want, whichever is more convenient for you, or just type it here. So doesn't matter. But if it's an article, I want you actually to bring a file here. Okay, let's move on now. The second part of our class was how to work in Moodle, and if you've been to the Moodle site, you probably have seen that you have already your own course added in the courses. So you find your username and pick up your course and go here. So this is your playground for you to try and use Moodle, and this is needed to develop your course in Moodle. This website you will use, and this course that you will develop, you will use with your students for your elective courses, which you will run in the fall. Here during the lecture I named the main sources and activities that I want you to try. You have explanation here, you can go and check all of these sources, and I'm just going to show you how to use it here. So click on this gear, turn editing on, and then you can either add topic. Number of section might be 10, 1, add topic. So the system will bring the topic here. To rename it, you just need to click on it and write down, for example, contact information. Then you need to hit the enter button so for the name to be saved. To edit the topic, you just click here. Use this field to write down the information, add some pictures, links, and maybe files, and then click to save changes. I'm not going to save changes because I didn't make any changes. To add an activity or resource, you're using this button. Please do work mostly on the activities that I offered you to do. So assignment, you can read what is this, and once you're working in the activity, there is small question buttons which you can click and see what is this for. So I have my Moodle in English. And if you want it to be in English, you can actually set up a preferred language. You need to go to the preferences or settings, and there is a button preferred language. Here, just click at the language you want and save changes. Okay, now let's go back to our Moodle site. So again, this Moodle site, this is yours. It won't disappear anywhere. It is safe. You can try and work in it. And please be creative. But keep in mind that we're not gonna check this website till April. We will only check it in April, not earlier than that. So all the assignments that you need to submit should actually go to my course, Design and Delivery of Courses in English. So with activities, you can try to use assignment, you can write to use face-to-face, feedback, forum, then workshop, file and folder. Please, you can explore the other options as well, but I would encourage you to stick to those because they're the simplest and it's just easier. I don't want you to get stuck on that. Soon we're gonna have online courses how to work in Moodle, which then you can use to see what other sources are available for you. Okay, so I hope we're clear on that. I hope you do understand that your course is for you to try and develop your topic, and my course is for all the assignments that you have to submit, and you can find them in here. And the last thing I wanted to show you regarding the databases, how to use them, just in case you don't know it. So once you type, for example, like any topic, I don't know what you're gonna be searching for, each library has a small little box here. You need to check or uncheck, depends on what's written. So here I clicked on the box, so it will show me only the results that I can have full access to, so I can download them actually. Yeah, so if we will go here, see we have PDF, full PDF file for that. Same can be with for example ebook collection. Let's have a look here. This source actually has ebooks available online. Here you need to be unchecked this button. Then we will have only the books shows. We will have books shown which have the full access to. We can download the whole book PDF or we can download chapters. And it's written open access. So you've got some access to these databases even without our libraries, just our library provides more extended access. So I wish you good luck. Hope this video will help you to work on everything we discussed. And have a great day. Thank you so much. See you on Wednesday. Bye.